Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nougat at home, only way. Start by gathering sugar, honey, egg whites, vanilla, and toasted nuts, and set a candy thermometer. Whip the egg whites to glossy peaks while heating sugar and honey to the specified temperature. Slowly stream hot syrup into the whites while mixing. Fold in nuts and spread into a lined pan to cool before slicing for perfect chewy nougat. Begin by toasting nuts and lining a pan with parchment for easy removal. Combine sugar and honey in a saucepan and heat until the candy thermometer reaches the target temperature for chewy nougat. While syrup heats, whip egg whites to glossy peaks. Slowly pour syrup into the whites while mixing on medium speed until thick and glossy. Fold in nuts and vanilla, then press into the pan and let it cool completely before slicing. If your nougat turns out too hard, check your temperature and aim slightly lower next time. For a sticky or collapsed batch, ensure you pour syrup slowly and maintain steady mixing so the eggs set correctly. Always toast nuts for extra flavor and cool them before folding into the mixture. Clean, grease-free bowls give better egg white volume, and letting nougat rest fully helps slice clean pieces for serving and gifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.